So the breathing process is completed with the help of diffusion, assisted by diffusion. Diffusion is a process. What I said, that large amount, like that the air which we inhale, in that the concentration of oxygen is more. So it will be passed to the blood, and there it will be transported to each and every cell, utilized. Carbon dioxide will be produced, utilized for oxidation of the food. Carbon dioxide will be produced. It will be further again. So how will this happen? Oxygen will combine with hemoglobin to form oxyhemoglobin, and then it is transported. When carbon dioxide has to be exhaled, so carbon dioxide, it is transported back in two ways. One is it forms bicarbonates, and these bicarbonates dissolve in the plasma of the blood. When circulatory system will be explained to you, at that time I will make you clear about the plasma. Right now you know that plasma is present inside the blood. So in that part only the carbon dioxide will dissolve in the form of bicarbonates. And one more thing is that some amount of carbon dioxide will combine with hemoglobin to form carbaminohemoglobin. These are the two ways in which the carbon dioxide will be exhaled out. Now let us come to know about the respiratory organs, different respiratory organs and their characteristics. So pehle characteristics. There are three common features which each respiratory organ should have for its efficiency. One is large surface area, already discussed, thin walled, and rich blood supply. In mammals, it is with the help of lungs, and in the lungs at alveoli. Okay. Now there are different respiratory organs. Four main types will be discussed here. One is the skin. If the respiration is with the help of skin, it is known as cutaneous respiration. It takes place in frog. And with the help of air tubes, which is also known as trachea, this type is done in the insects. Gills in fishes and tadpole. What happens here? The water in which dissolved oxygen is present is taken by the mouth of the fish. It reaches to the gill, and there oxidation and respiration takes place. Oxidation of food means respiration takes place. And lungs already explained to you. So in aquatic animals, they have to breathe faster. The reason behind is that the amount of dissolved oxygen is less compared to the air. In the air, the amount of oxygen in the environment, in the atmosphere. In the atmosphere, the amount of oxygen in the air is more in relation to the amount of oxygen in the water, because there the oxygen is in the dissolved form. Therefore, the aquatic animals have to breathe faster. Okay. Now, the respiratory system in multicellular organism is required. Why? Because in unicellular organism, entire body is in contact with the environment.